the sound of rejoicing reach the high heavens as we lift up our thanksgiving and praise to the name which is above every name, to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, as we bring you sounds of worship.
Rejoice, sons and daughters, because as we journey towards our 41st year, the appointed Son has already declared that this is now the time that heaven releases its power. When giants fall, when all storms stop, when despair turns into destiny, this is now the time when mercy speaks and the Son of God shall be glorified now and forever.
Pastor, you have changed my life completely. When I became a full-time 16 years ago, never once that I tried to go back to my vices. All of those were gone completely. And that is the power of the message of the appointed Son, that a man can change from within. And I thank the Almighty Father that miracle has happened in my life.
40 years of sacrifice, 40 years of unconditional love, 40 years of determination, 40 years of loyalty. We're blessed, brothers and sisters, because in this last days, we have our beloved pastor who sacrificed everything that we may have what we have today, brothers and sisters.
God's grace is amazing, the lifeline of my soul. God's grace is faithful, Jesus conquered all. By grace he died, so I may live. By grace I am saved. It's the Father! Thank you, Papa Pastor! We love you!
Our hearts are overflowing with joy and thanksgiving to the Almighty Father, because in the vastness of the universe, out of the billions of people in the world, to the love and grace and compassion of the Almighty Father, He saw His Son. His finger of appointment came to the appointed Son in this generation.
Advancing the kingdom interest throughout all the world is the very heart of everyone in the kingdom nation, both adult and young people all over the world. And we are doing that every day of our lives as we progress and as we develop the kingdom ministry everywhere it is being established. Many KLCs are being born every day, every week, every month, all over the world. And we thank the Father for the advancement of the kingdom nation everywhere.